Nature is talking to you. Are you listening? This is by Saint Seraphim of Sarov. Drink the water from the stream where the horses drink. The horse will never drink bad water. Lay your bed where the cat sleeps. Eat the fruit that has been touched by a worm. Boldly pick the mushrooms on which the insects sit. Plant the tree where the mole digs. Build your house where the snake sits to warm itself. Dig your fountain where the birds hide from the heat. Go to sleep and wake up at the same time with the birds. You will reap all of the day's golden grains. Eat more green. You will have strong legs and a resistant heart like the beings of the forest. Swim often, and you will feel on earth like the fish in the water. Look at the sky as often as possible, and your thoughts will become light and clear. Be quiet a lot. Speak little, and silence will come in your heart. And your spirit will be calm and full of peace. And now, let us go into the silence.